You guys, I messed up. Totally messed up. So I wanted to try the new Makeup Forever HD setting powder, and they have like, let me look. I'll put it up on the screen so you can see. But they have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different shades in this. And I was like, ooh, yeah, I really want to try that out. And so I'm at Sephora and I'm standing in line and I'm like, ooh, here's the new HD powder, but it's it's the translucent. This looks so scary. This is like pure white. So I messed up. I freaking messed up, okay? Hopefully it's still a good powder, but yeah, I'm really scared that this is gonna make me look like a ghost. So what I did today was I used my new concealer technique with the NYX Professional Bare With Me concealer serum that I've been liking, but this is definitely a little too dark for me. So I'm like, okay, maybe these will balance each other out a little bit. So that's why I decided to use this with this. So let's jump into it. Let's review it. It's gonna be okay. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Micro Finishing Loose Powder. It is $39. Loose powder formula, good for pores, matte finish. An award-winning finishing powder that's ultra blurring and light diffusing to create unfiltered perfection for all skin tones. Doubtful. Like, anybody darker than me, this is not gonna work for them. What it does, the last step in your makeup routine, this finishing powder blur the look of your skin's imperfections, revamped and now more transparent, weightless and blurring than ever. This is the ultimate finishing powder. The silica and silicone based formula delivers a naturally matte, light diffusing effect while minimizing the appearance of pores and fine lines, formulated to look invisible under Ultra HD 4K technology. This loose powder is perfect for every skin tone with non-drying formula that creates a visibly flawless finish in any light. We'll put that to the test. A little goes a long way with this finishing powder. Just apply a small amount with a fluffy brush, tap off the excess product, and apply after you're setting your makeup for additional blurring. I'm gonna grab a smaller brush to apply this because I don't know if we wanna like dust it all over the face. I'll be right back. I just got this Sigma F64 Soft Blend Concealer brush. And yeah, I don't know. I just feel like this texture for blending out cream concealer is a little weird. I mean, I'll try it out, but I feel like this is gonna be better for powders. So I think that we can control where we're going to be putting this powder a little bit more with this brush. So I think this is the brush that we're going to use. It's got one of these little nets in here. My camera's probably not gonna focus on it because it's too white. It's gonna blow it out. But it's got one of these like little nets in here, which I don't really understand how to use. And then also when I was trying to swatch it, on the back of my hand, it did look very translucent. So that's a good start. But also like the texture is very weird of this. It's like most powders will like stick to your finger. This is not sticking to my finger at all. Like it's a very like slide offy texture, which is very interesting. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and tap in here and just get a little bit on our brush. Let me grab a mirror. Okay, we're gonna set the under eye first. We're gonna do one side of the face and see what's going on. So this is my face before. Okay, we're gonna set under eye and then move the powder around a little bit. Okay, at first I was being very intentional with where I was placing the powder, and now I'm just kind of moving it all over the face, the excess. Okay, so I was really delicate and gentle with where I was putting it. So this is the done side and then the undone side. Done. Undone. You're probably not going to be able to tell much in the camera. I would say that it is blurring the hell out of my pores, which is amazing, but it's definitely not for all skin tones. Like you can see that's making me a little bit whiter. In person, it's not so bad, but definitely on camera, like with the lights, like the natural light and then my ring light and everything, it definitely like it took me a shade down, which I'm not mad at because this is darker and that's exactly why I did this. But it definitely, like if you had a deeper skin tone than me, this might be a little troublesome for you, but it is blurring the hell out of my pores, like blurred. Okay, I'm digging it so far. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. We're gonna check out the final look. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the final look. It looks so good on the skin, but it definitely lightened me up. But yeah, I love the way that looked. So we're gonna carry on with our day. We're gonna see if it keeps me matte. That's the real test of a powder for me, because combination oily, we know. I get pretty oily, so we'll see how matte it keeps me. And then I'm gonna check it out, like, you know, with the visor down in the car, the real telltale signs, all that stuff. And then I'll report back and let you know my thoughts. All right, we're gonna have to make this quick because I just turned off the air so that you guys could hear me. But I've had this on for quite a few hours now. I've been running around in the heat. And here's what it looks like. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell, per usual. I think one day there'll be like a really good camera, but then you'll see all my like wrinkles and imperfections. So I'm not looking forward to that. But this product, I will tell you, let's just take a quick look. This product is so blurring. My skin is like snatched, like perfection. This is the most blurring powder that I've ever tried. And it's keeping me pretty matte. A little bit of oil's poking through just because I'm sitting in, it's 94 degrees out and I'm sitting in a hot car with the air conditioning off, so it's not blowing in the camera. So that's probably why it's getting a little shiny right now, but it definitely kept me kind of matte, almost to the point where my skin feels like tight. So I don't know, I would say I wouldn't recommend this all over the face. I think this is going to be a phenomenal under eye snatching powder. Okay, I wanted to come back and try this with just setting the under eye, and we're just gonna hop right into it and see how she works. So I'm gonna use a very small brush like I did before and see how we do. Yeah, that looks really nice under the eye. Can you see? This is the done side. I like that. It's very smoothing and somewhat brightening, and it mattifies, but it doesn't look like super crunchy. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna recommend this for setting the under eye. Snatched. So thank you so much for tuning into this review. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 a.m. Mountain Time. So hit that subscribe button to check out my upcoming videos. And thank you so much again for joining me, and I'll check you on the next one.